Welcome to JH. Today, I will demonstrate how to reset your Yahoo password without having access to your recovery email or phone number. This method can be slightly complex, but I will walk you through the entire process so you can successfully regain access to your account. Let's begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Yahoo login screen. You must start here to trigger the recovery sequence. Once the page loads, enter the specific email address for the Yahoo account you want to recover. Double-check that the address is correct, as you'll need to prove you are the owner. After typing it in, click the Next button. When prompted for a password, look for the link labeled Forgotten Password and click it to move forward. You will see a few choices, but since the standard recovery phone and email are unavailable, click the option that says, I need more options. This will take you to a page with advanced support features. Click on Go to Help to reach the official Yahoo support site. Once there, locate the drop-down arrow next to the Account section, click it, and then select Mail from the list. You will see another menu appear right next to it. Choose the option that best describes your password recovery situation. Now, enter your Yahoo email address into the field once again. You will then see a security prompt for I'm not a robot. Follow the instructions to verify your identity and prove you aren't an automated system. After the check is complete, click Get Started. This leads to a final set of options where you must select Contact a Yahoo specialist. This step is vital for those who cannot use traditional recovery methods. Now, you just need to wait for Yahoo to get back to you. This might take some time, so stay patient. A specialist will eventually provide instructions on how to change your password. That is all there is to it. Remember to keep your security info updated to avoid this problem later.